Hello, friend. Joe at the office here. Just want to do a quick video showing you all how to use max, min, count, and rank in Excel. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So in the first part of our spreadsheet here, we just have a data set of numbers, and we want to find the max of that. So we'll type max equal max, open parentheses, and then we'll select the range of numbers here and hit enter, and it'll say the maximum number in this data set is 98. Same type of thing with min, equals min, open parentheses, the range of numbers, enter, and 1 is the minimum, the least number. We want to know, let's say we want to know how many numbers are in a data set. We can just do a count and select the range, and 75 numbers in this data set. So let's say we wanted to rank a number by a data set, where a number falls in the count of a data set of numbers. So a little bit longer syntax, but we're going to do the rank, and the number we're going to choose is 50. So I want to know where 50 falls if all of these numbers were sorted, what rank it has. So the reference data set, comma, and we're going to sort descending. So 50 ranks 36 in this data set of 75 numbers. So you can use that in statistics. Go ahead and look at a business scenario. So again, we have the sales representatives here. Their sales in July, August, and September in thousands each month, each representative. And we want to find the max of this person's sales. So we would select equals max, and then the data set, and then 30. So let's say we want to find the month with the lowest sales. We'll do min, the range, close parentheses, 15 is the lowest month. And count's pretty simple on this one because we have a small data set, but in a different scenario you might have a large data set where you want to find how many records. So 3, of course. So rank, I want to see where September ranks in their sales. So I would choose rank, and then September, comma, oops, sorry, rank, open parentheses, September, comma, versus these 3, comma, 0, close parentheses. So we can see that for September, the representative Brown had the highest sales. It ranked the highest sales on his or hers sales. And let's do the crosshairs and just drag this down so we can see the max of every person. So you see Thomas had highest sales in July. I'll do the same for min, and we'll see that Murphy had the lowest sales in July. Count's going to be the same, probably no point in doing this, but if we were going to do some kind of equation, we might want to count. And then rank September for each of the representatives. So Jones had the worst sales in September if we're looking at this quarter. And let's go ahead and do the whole data set. So equal max, choose that. So the highest sales of any sales representative in this quarter is 31, and that's Thomas in July. And let's do min, see the lowest sales in that quarter. select the range, enter. 6. Murphy had the lowest sales in July, in the quarter, July. We'll do the count of how many records in this data set. 21. And let's say we want to rank September sales against see how September in total sales ranks against the quarter. So we'll do equal rank, and we'll choose the September total sales against the range of sales, sort descending, so we find highest sales first, and it ranks number 1. Obviously, we're just looking at a quarter. Alright, so that's it for max, min, count, and rank. Hopefully this was helpful to everyone. If you got something out of it, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.